is the Manchester Airport Hotel. I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So far, I'm thinking it's a pretty good airport hotel. It's a decent size. It is small, but not quite a capsule. And I will reveal the price at the end. But let's have a quick tour. So it's a little bit of a moody retro room, a lot of black and dark wood. This is the look of the room as you come in. You've got a little cute bathroom in there, basic amenities, hand wash, body lotion, nice taps, little vanity mirror, and shower. All looks very clean. It's quite sort of trendy. We've got recycling, a little bit of a place to hang your stuff. I think these are hairdryers. And we've even got a desk. We're obviously only here for one night, so we don't need much. We are just here while we wait for our very early flight. We've got a full-length mirror. And we've even got a little Nespresso maker, a few coffees, a few teas. I don't know what's in here. A safe, TV, what looks like quite a large bed. We'll see if it is comfortable at the end. Some nice little side tables. And we are on the penthouse floor. We've actually got a view of the atrium, which goes all the way down to the bar or across into other people's rooms. So let's switch the camera around and I will reveal to you all how much this room costs. So first of all, the bounce test. It's actually quite firm, which is good. I like a firm bed, but it's nice. It looks clean. The mattress looks clean. That's always good. So how much did this room cost? It is £86 a night, which, considering that the other hotel in Manchester Airport is about £300 a night, for only £86 a night, so that's really £43 each. It is an absolute bargain. Now, we have had quite a bit of a journey getting here, so I am now going to go and relax for the rest of the evening, hopefully get an early night for our flight tomorrow morning to Venice, which is the next part, or possibly what the flight is like, as the flight is budget, but then the rest of the trip we've got a bit more luxury coming. See you in the next one. Bye.